This video is to go over the foot model right here. And we are going to look at tendons and ligaments, and we're actually going to look at the syndesmosis between the tibia and the fibula because it's there. I'm going to go to full screen mode, so I want to go over the controls in case you have not watched the other videos. Play, rotates it, stop, stops it. Rotates it a little bit to the left, rotates a little bit to the right. Full screen mode. And I can drag it and rotate it like that. So there are a couple buttons on it. It will lateral landmarks and medial landmarks. I might have gotten a little bit carried away. And then this one shows them both together. So here's the foot. That's the tibia. That's the talus right there. And we have the medial malleolus right there. We have the lateral malleolus there. I like thinking malleolus, mal is bad to break your ankle, which is actually a sprain of all these ligaments. In reality, it looks like a hammer. So if I rotate here, fibula, lateral side, lateral malleolus. Tibia, medial side, medial malleolus. And this is forming a modified hinge joint that allows you inversion, which is going inwards, and eversion. Remember in my lecture, I'm irritated that in all the running stores they use pronation instead of in an eversion. So we're going to actually start by looking at this right here. This is a syndesmosis. That is a joint between the tibia and the fibula, and it's basically holding the bones together. Now you have another one between the ulna and the radius. So you have the interosseous border of the ulna, interosseous border of the radius. You have a syndesmosis between these two bones as well. I swear I had a picture in the lab book where I colored it in, but I guess I don't have that picture anymore. So this is the lateral view, and I'm zooming in just so you can see it a little bit better. This ligament right here is the anterior tibial femoral ligament because it's going from the tibia to the fibula, and it's anterior, which means there's going to be a posterior one hiding back there. This one right here is going from the calcaneus to the lateral malleolus. It's the calcaneofibular ligament. So far, so good? Good. Now if I rotate it to the back side, I'm going to see the posterior tibial fibular ligament. And this is actually several ligaments together. It's called the deltoid ligament. And that is on the medial side between the medial malleolus and the tarsus down here. And then lastly, how can we forget the calcaneal tendon or the Achilles tendon that is attached to your calf muscle. One last thing, the distal tibia fibula I have seen called a planar joint as well. So let's just call it a planar joint.